Okay, here we go. First, I want to say hello, Dan, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Again, my name is Jeff, and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company through online presence. There are three key factors that are needed to rank your business on Google and increase your exposure, therefore increasing the value. Obviously, we have content, backlinks, and citations. Um, Content is extremely important. What you need to know is every time that you type something into Google, you're actually typing keywords that Google uses to look for websites that best fit the search that you've just typed in. Search engine optimization. It crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to keyword or words, and then categorizes these websites, and that starts to create a rank system. Now you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and a number of keywords. For example, here I looked up auto repair Mount Pleasant. I know that you do have a website. I can see that, but I can see that it's not on the first page of Google. What you have here is a map section. Obviously, you know the map section, and the map section is based on citations or referring domains. It's anywhere your business name, address, and phone number show up exactly as your Google business profile. If you don't have a Google business profile, it's highly recommended that you build one. You directly connect your business to citations and help rank in the map. It's extremely important to be seen there. I mean, many people open Google and type restaurant near me, a bar, gas station near me, and this is how that rank structure happens. And Google sees that through citations and your Google Business Profile, and from directory citations like Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. Underneath this is where the organic rank starts to happen with content and backlinks, and this is how the websites generate their structure underneath the first page on the maps. Google sees businesses being referenced more often than their competitors, and it starts to bring value to them, and they start to go into the organic search area. Now, what I looked at was obviously auto repair Mount Pleasant. I didn't see you, but I did pick a random Mount Pleasant auto because they're right here. Obviously, Yelp is a advertisement, so when we look at Mount Pleasant, this is their website, and then we can check out your website as well. Now what I have here is a tool called Ahrefs, and this is where I can see the strength in what you have behind your website. I can see your backlinks. Backlinks is where one website is linked to another, and it's an endorsement of your website. Google uses that to build trust, and it creates popularity. Again, your referring domains are your citations, name, address, phone number, Google Business Profile, and then content really comes into play here with keywords. 126 keywords and the amount of traffic that you get from your keywords. We check out Mount Pleasant. It's got 123 backlinks, 22 referring domains, and 128 keywords. And that's bringing him 335 on the organic traffic for the keywords that he has on his website. So this is where content and search engine optimization really come into play. Now we can take a look at what he's using for keywords, the top keywords, and this is how the search volume per month. So Mount Pleasant Auto Repair is searched 400 times a month. There's a lot of exposure here. So keywords and content play a big part on how you're getting exposed and how, what people are typing into the search bar and how Google has classified that within your website and how it ranks it. Mount Pleasant Auto Repair, Mount Pleasant Auto Repair again, towing, Mount Pleasant, AC repair, Mount Pleasant. These are the top keywords that he's using. This is generating potential customers, clients. Let's take a little snippet here, see what we're working with you. I'm sorry, but not so much. But this is all easily obtainable for you by all means, especially referring domains. Let's go check out his referring domains, 22. So these are super pages, statesman.com, yellow pages. All of this is easily obtainable for you just as well. So, and this is, hopefully giving you an idea of how pages on websites come about when they get on the first page of Google. And so when your content and your backlinks and citations start to come together and you start outranking your competitors, you see the value of the business, Google will move you up, they'll recognize you, and it creates a lot more exposure, and that's going to create customers and that's going to create revenue. So, with that being said, I want to thank you for your time. I appreciate it. I hope you have a better understanding of how important a well built website is and the value that it can bring to your company. And if you find yourself wanting any more information, or maybe we could talk, see what's realistic for you and your business, I'd be happy to help. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a great day.